Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to promote Amazon affiliate products on Pinterest using two simple methods. Okay, so the first method is direct linking and the second method is indirect linking. So in the first method, direct linking, what we're going to do is we're going to drive traffic to our Amazon affiliate product directly through Pinterest, and the second method is we're going to drive traffic to our Amazon affiliate product through our blog or a YouTube channel using Pinterest. Okay, so the first method, what you need is you need an Amazon affiliate account and a Pinterest business account. For the second method, extra, you need a blog or a YouTube channel. Okay, so I will explain each method step by step. For the first method, you will have to choose a product first to promote on Amazon Pinterest. So for this video, I have chosen this item. It's a women dress, tank swing dress. And so as you can see, in here, there is different type of, in the same product, different colors. If you want, you can download each image and you can create separate pins and you can use the same link to each pin. First, you have to download one picture by each color. So now I have black, so I'm gonna download the black color first, and then I have striped one and the floral one. So for this video, I'm only gonna download three dresses. So as you can see, there is like 10 to 11 dresses over here. So next, go to the Pinterest. So I'm gonna create three pins using those three pictures. Now I'm gonna upload the pictures that I downloaded before. Here, right, okay. And next, go to Amazon website again. And now copy this title and paste it on Pinterest. And then you have to differentiate each pin. So this is a floral one. I'm gonna type floral. And this is a stripe one. I'm gonna type black and white. Stripe. And this is the black dress. So I'm gonna type black. And then after that, you have to create a board to pin these pictures. So I already have created a board called women tanks. So you can either choose women dresses or something. It's up to you. You can create any board you like. After that, you have to copy these title and also paste it over here. I'm gonna do each pin and copy it and paste it. After that, now let's go again to the Amazon account, and in the top corner, in the top left, as you can see, you can download the Amazon affiliate link from here. I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste it over here. Okay, right, okay. After that, so now I have upload the images and the title and the link, and we have connected it to the board too. And then you have to select all three pins and click publish. That's all. So after it get published, you can see, I will show you. So now it's been published. So I'm gonna click over here to see it. So this is how it's gonna look like. Okay, so if someone come through this link and click over here, the Pinterest gonna direct that person directly to our Amazon affiliate product here, which is cool, which is really simple. So if you can publish around like 50 to 100 pins a day, imagine if you do it for like like let's say 100 pins per day, and if you do it for like 3 months, like 90 days, it's 9,000 pins. So there is a crazy traffic in Pinterest, so there is more possibility that you will get a sale. Okay, so for the second method, I will explain using blog and a YouTube channel as well. Okay, so next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to YouTube. Okay, now I'm in YouTube, and I'm going to type best gaming, okay, let's see, gaming laptops. So I'm just gonna go to this particular video. So I'm gonna pause it. So as you can see in the description here, they have put links to Amazon products. So if someone click from here, see, it comes over here. Let's type Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest. Okay, so I'm gonna choose something. Yeah, I'm gonna choose this one. Is it paid? Let's see. Okay, after you select a pin, so I'm gonna type here 5 best gaming keyboards in 2022. Okay, so this is gonna be our title. Okay, make it a bit bigger. Okay, after that you can change these images into your product items, like I will show you. So one is, let's say, razor, and second one is MSI, and third one is like, let's say, I don't know, like Logitech. Okay, so after creating this pin like this, okay, so you have to put your images over here. Okay, so I'm gonna type images, photos, keyboard here. So I'm gonna upload this over here and put this one over here. Okay, so next I'm gonna download this one as a PNG. Wait until it's downloading. Okay, so now it's all downloaded. Now I'm gonna head over to Pinterest and create a pin. Now I'm gonna upload this image, so you can see, so you can add 3 items or all 5 items as well. And next, so imagine this is your YouTube video. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this topic, okay, and we're gonna copy this link as well. After that we're gonna paste it over here. Okay, and so that's all for now. So if you want, like let's say, imagine this is the description of the video, so we can paste that over here too. And we're gonna create a new board, creating gaming keyboards, let's say gaming keyboards, and create it and publish. After it get published, okay, now you can see the pin that you have created. Okay, there is your pin. So imagine I'm a user. Okay, so if I see this pin, if I wanted to know more about these products, I'm going to click over here or the here. Then I'm going to direct it. I'm going to direct to the YouTube page. Then after that, I'm going to listen to this. I'm going to watch this video, and if I'm satisfied, then what I'm gonna do is let's say I'm gonna buy Alienware X414. Then I'm gonna click over here for the Logitech one. Okay, let's say Lenovo Legion. Okay, so I'm gonna come to this page. Now if I make a purchase, you get a commission. So this same thing happens to the blog as well. So as example, let's Google best gaming laptop. Okay, so I'm gonna let's say Tom's Hardware. Okay, let's go to Tom's Hardware and see. So this is a blog post about 5 best gaming laptops. So as you can see, so the first one, so as you can see, there is Amazon affiliate links. These are all Amazon affiliate links. If someone click here, then it's come to this page. As you can see, here is the Amazon Tom's Hardware Amazon tag. So you can use these two methods, but the easy method is the direct linking part. So you just directly linking your Amazon product to Pinterest, and if someone click it, that person gonna go directly to the Amazon affiliate product. And the second method is kind of tricky, but if you can do it properly, then you get two benefits. First is you get website visits or YouTube views, and the second one is you get a affiliate commission as well. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy my video, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel.